Is your 2024 Hyundai Elantra key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common cause. This video will guide you through replacing the battery yourself, saving you time and money. The 2024 Elantra uses a CR2032 battery, easily replaceable in under 10 minutes with basic tools. We'll cover everything you need to know. The 2024 Elantra's key fob combines remote keyless entry and passive entry start features. Remote keyless entry uses buttons on the fob to lock or unlock the vehicle and activate the panic alarm. Passive entry start allows keyless access when the fob is detected near the vehicle. Both functions are powered by the CR2032 battery. When the battery is low, you may experience reduced range or complete failure, requiring the use of the physical key. How do you know your battery is dying? Common signs include reduced range, less than 10 feet, intermittent operation, or a key not detected error on your Elantra's infotainment screen. Hyundai released software updates in late 2025 to improve key fob responsiveness and reduce false disconnections in cold weather. Even with those updates, batteries still require replacement. For this DIY replacement, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a key fob opener tool. Tweezers can be helpful for removing the old battery. Electrical tape is optional for protecting the fob casing. And of course, you'll need a new CR2032 battery, which you can find at most electronic stores for around $1 to $3. First, locate the release button or notch on the fob's edge, usually near the key slot. Gently pry open the fob casing, starting from the key slot end to avoid damage. Remove the old battery, noting its orientation. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Reassemble the casing and test by pressing the buttons. Work in a static-free environment to avoid damaging the fob's electronics. Static electricity can fry the delicate circuit board inside the key fob. When reassembling, ensure the casing is fully closed to prevent water damage. Even a small gap can let moisture in and corrode the electronics. Dispose of the old battery responsibly by taking it to a recycling center. Lithium batteries contain hazardous materials and should not go in regular trash. If your fob is still under warranty, consider professional replacement to avoid voiding coverage. Opening the fob yourself might invalidate the manufacturer's guarantee. Common mistakes during key fob battery replacement can cause significant issues. Let's explore the most frequent problems and how to avoid them. Incorrect reassembly is a major issue. When putting the key fob back together, misalignment can create gaps that allow water to enter, causing corrosion. Buttons may also malfunction if not properly aligned. Always double-check the battery polarity before closing the fob. The positive side must face up. Reversing it can damage the circuit and prevent the fob from working. If the fob is damaged during opening, such as cracking the plastic or bending components, professional repair can cost between $50 and $150. Avoid using excessive force when prying open the case. If you encounter issues after replacement, such as the fob not responding or reduced range, consult your Hyundai Elantra owner's manual or take it to a qualified technician for diagnosis. Looking ahead, the automotive industry is moving toward rechargeable or app-integrated key fobs that eliminate traditional batteries. Hyundai's Smart Mobility initiative aims for more digital-only keys, reducing reliance on physical fobs. Expect improved battery efficiency and eco-friendly batteries for traditional fobs. To avoid batteries altogether, consider the Hyundai Digital Key app, which uses Bluetooth for keyless access. Even with these advancements, DIY battery replacement remains a practical and cost-effective solution for older models.